Okay, Ray's Repair Zone. We're going to repair a snowmobile rewind. The handle pulled out. So we're going to, we don't have to take none of this apart. Just have to find the cord. And the cord you can usually get from this corner here with a small screwdriver. Pop it out. Now here's the end. And what I like to do too, handy, we got this right here, if it works. Okay, we'll get something real quick. Take a lighter or a torch, and then you burn this up here. It's just nylon, so you don't want it fuzzy. There, now it's nice and pointy. I stick it in the hole down here so it comes out of the rewind right there, and then pull it out the back. There, now we got that. Now you take the cord, put it where it's supposed to go in the handle. Tie a little knot in here. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't pull through, and I'll get a pair of pliers. And then you just grab that end and you pull. There. So that's done here. There you go. Now you're wondering, how do we get this cord to go back? Right? Because it won't go back. Take the cord out again. Right here. Now we're going to be pulling this way, right? So what it does is it tensions the spring. So we just take this other end and you wrap this sucker. Just keep on going. Oh, we don't want to pull this thing right through. It's got to kind of bypass the other one. There we go. Now it's going to tension up the spring and make sure it goes down here, this where it goes out, so we're not twisting it. And then like that, you see? And now we're going to pull this out and we're going to see how it works now. Still not enough tension, right? And so we'll do it again. And don't stab your fingers. There, now I'm just going to go another turn because we don't want to go too tight. You go too tight, you can break the spring. Break the spring, and then you have, whoop, there we go. It let go on me, so I have to do it 2 times. It's like I'm all thumbs here or something. It's not working out. Let's see here if it's pretty good. And there you have her. That's how you tighten your spring and your recoil so the handle goes back in all the way. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. See you again.